Oh. What? Hello and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I got some really special for you. Who doesn't like quick and easy? I love quick and easy. I don't want any hassle. When I'm hungry, I want to eat something. I don't want any hassle. Which reminds me of a story. When I was the night chef at Fantasia restaurant, they thought someone with my scintillating personality might make a good waiter. I obviously agreed. My first night on the floor, this very attractive woman came in, sat down, didn't want a menu. She said to me, "What do you got that's quick and easy?" And I said, "You're looking at it." Anyway, back in the kitchen, but that was a long time ago. But today, I'm all excited to show you this recipe. My very good friend Wayne Watkins calls this pillow cake because you can eat this just before you hit the pillow and you're not going to get any hit in the morning. You're going to wake up light and refreshed, okay? So here's what we need. We need 1 cup of egg whites. That's all you need, just 1 cup. I'll put all the macronutrients up on the board, right? In a large bowl, okay? Then we're going to take 1 scoop, 36 grams, of chocolate casein protein powder, right? We're going to dump that in there. Then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to put that in there, right? Very easy so far, right? You with me? Did I lose anybody? There'll be a test later. Anyway, we're going to mix this all up nice so we get a nice consistency. If it's a little wet, I wouldn't worry about it. Anyway, I'm going to scooch this all up like this. This is a total of 256 calories. Wait till you see what happens. You're going to put this in the microwave for exactly 2 minutes. You with me? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, now in just a few seconds, microwave's got to go off and we're going to have cake. Hear that? Oh, baby, look at this. Look at this, babies, huh? Look at this puppy. Huh? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now what we're going to do, if I don't screw this up, we're going to flip this into our bowl. Oh, yeah, look at that, huh? Now we're going to go crazy. We're going to add some whipped cream. We're going to drizzle a little bit of chocolate sauce on this. And if you really want to get crazy, sprinkle a little Now, look at that, huh? Is this not to die for? Look at this thing. All under 300 calories. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. I feel like I have to take my clothes off to eat this. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's it. I'm going to post the macronutrients and the recipe for this up there on this video if I ever get around to editing it because I could be busy for a while. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Ta-ta.